Hi there, students. White trash. White trash, a noun. But notice normally it's uncountable but used in the plural. White trash are prevalent in this area. Okay, this is an American phrase. This is offensive. It's racist. It's an ethnic slur. So be very careful of this. White trash is an insulting way to talk about poor white people who are badly educated. Yeah, if you call somebody white trash, you're saying that the stereotype is somebody who is ignorant, racist, violent, alcoholic, somebody who takes drugs, and this is the idea of white trash. Poor white people who are not well educated. Okay, so as I said, be careful of this because some people might get very upset when you actually use this phrase. Yeah, it refers to poor white people, particularly in the US and particularly in the southern states. Yeah, okay, so white trash. I've also actually heard the phrase trailer park trash as well. So I think this is similar, but just referring to people who live in trailer parks, in like caravans in the US, without referring to their race. Okay, so white trash, poor white people who they think are worthless. Yeah, this place is inhabited by poor white trash, or just white trash. Okay, so be very careful because people may take offense to this, but it's a good phrase for you to understand what is meant by it. Yeah, I think you also might use the word whitey in this context as well. Let's see, poor white trash, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use it in any formality, but as I said, be careful. And then as to origin, let's see, this word first appeared in the 1850s, so it's 170 years old, this phrase. The phrase poor white trash, and it said that the black slaves in the southern United States used to call white people who worked in menial positions, they used to call them poor white trash. So people who were doing jobs that might be done by black people, people who were agricultural laborers or servants or butlers or things like that. Poor white trash. And well, I guess it's understandable. Yeah, white trashery, white trash with cash. Yeah, so maybe they're not poor anymore, they've got cash, but it's still calling them white trash. I've heard this phrase used in the UK as well. This is an area inhabited by white trash, but this phrase is much more prevalent in the United States. Yeah, these people are lowlives, they're just white trash. White trash are responsible for a much higher proportion of crime than you would actually believe. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. White trash.